How to fix Roblox not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Scroll down and search Roblox app. You will see scroll down and search Roblox app. You will see Roblox app is here, so click on Roblox app. Scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix Roblox not working problem, so click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Roblox not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.